So I'm just gonna pour like a little above the heart. Right there. Okay.
I like the full setup. Good picture. Yep. Red dot. Full battery.
Oh, what was that? Okay guys, so last week I put way too much color onto my silicone mold resin project that I was doing. And today I'm going to do the reveal. I literally had to let this project dry for like an entire week and a half because you know what, it was just the ink. I put way too much ink and the ink just kind of floated to the top. The resin dried up and the ink was just kind of floating on top of the dry resin. So I kind of wiped it down a little because I couldn't really even handle it. I did take a sneak peek, but so far I'm not proud of it. So we're doing a review of how that turned out. And yeah. Right off the back, the shells that I had previously put in there, excuse me, are floated back up to the top. And that is because, you know, when I put the resin in this mold, I filled it up almost to the top where I was supposed to do it like in layers and kind of let it dry so that these could like stick, and then I could put the other ones without these moving. But I didn't do that. It's my first one. It's the first time I make one of these, so I'm sure the second time I make one of these it'll be a lot better. Okay, so let's go ahead and take it out of the mold. You know what, I'm gonna unfold this napkin a little more. Okay, so let's do it. Oh no, see, there's still some of the ink that's wet right there. You know, I'm probably gonna have to like hose this thing down.
A little bit closer.
I'm probably gonna have to like hose this thing down. Look at that.
Right there, use your space though. Got it right there.
So, oh, look at all that stuff right there. Yeah, not too happy about this one. I love the shape. I love that it's a heart shape. I love that it's a heart shaped, you know, help me out. I'm lost for words. Yes. I really like that this is like a heart-shaped ashtray, or at least it was supposed to be. So I don't have any gloves, so I'm just getting all this stuff all over my fingers. But yeah, see, like it has too much. Like this dried up good right here, but all this didn't dry up well at all. And I think I'm gonna. It's just the ink. I just put way too much ink, and honestly, this looks like a fucking BP spill type of ashtray portraying thing. I don't know. It's terrible. It's just terrible. It doesn't look good. I don't like it. But, yeah, let's go hose it down. I believe it just stopped raining, so let's go see what this looks like when it's all nice and hosed down. So, it's still kind of raining a little bit out here, which is fine, I guess. So yeah, let's see if we can see this better in this light. So look at that. I don't like it, but I don't completely hate it either. Like, look at that. It's terrible. Look at that little shell. Oh no, I am so sorry, little shells. I did you wrong. I did you so wrong. Look at all that sticky stuff in there. You can tell it's still wet right there, you know? All this. Supposed to be a heart ashtray, but it didn't work out too good. I was going for more of a like like a clear blue water sort of thing. That's why there was a lot of I put a lot of white in the blue. But this happened, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna rinse it down now. Let's see how that works. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna do this. So I'm just gonna place it right here. Alright, I'm just gonna place it right there. And I'm gonna hit it with the hose. My hose is all over the place, guys. Don't judge me. Alright, there it is. Maybe with a little added pressure. Ah, no. Don't float off. I'm sorry. Alright. So, let me kind of get my fingers here a little. Okay, so I just touched it. It still seems like, oh my god, like look at that stuff. It's like all over my thumb. Oh, I'm just running my finger all along this. Yeah. This was all a bad idea. All of it. Every single thing I'm doing right now. Yep, this is all a bad idea. Why am I still doing it? Oh, you know, because it's kind of fun. Like I said, you guys, it's raining out here. So, it's not pouring, it's just, you know, drizzling, so it's not that bad.